Hey guys, are you ready for some fun? Today, we're going to build this super cute little monster and bring him to life with animation. Let's get crafting. Grab your green clay and roll it into a ball. Now, shape the top so it's a little pointy. Kind of like a teardrop or a tiny mountain. That's our monster's body. Let's make his cool hat. Take some black clay, roll it into a cylinder, and flatten it out with your fingers. Use your tool to poke a little triangle shape in the middle. Then pop it right on top of his head. Trim the edges with your scissors so it looks perfect. Time to give him a face. Use your tool to make 2 little dents for his eyes. Drop in some white clay balls, there he is! Now let's make him look like a monster with some horns. Shape 2 orange pieces into teardrops. Bend the tips and stick them on the sides. Add 2 tiny black dots for his pupils. Let's give him a big smile. Gently scoop out a space for his mouth. Put a little piece of red clay inside for his tongue. And give it a tiny poke. Look at that, he's alive! Ready to make him move? Place him on the table and snap a photo. Now, move him forward, put a tiny bit of clay underneath him to make him jump, and snap another one. Take the clay away, move him again, and keep repeating that. The magic trick is switching between the clay up and clay down positions to make him bounce. Wow, he looks so cool and squishy! If you guys had fun today, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome crafts. See you next time, bye!